Yo, peeps! Welcome to the Kalia Show. My ghetto ass fine. I wanted to tell you about the rest of my day. Oh my god. Guess what I just did? Not that. But I just had sex. And it felt so good. LOL. But yeah, I have a special guest today. This is my homie from here. His name is Chris.
Yeah, what's up, hoes?
You get him into
How y'all doing? Oh man, what's up, hoes?
This is my homie. He's trying to get with my girl ass.
Why don't you say that?
And he's kind of striking out, but he
I
did.
am not fucking striking out. What kind of shit are you smoking?
But he did a little progress. He is doing better. Tell everybody how your day was.
I'm not saying shit.
Oh my god, you're corny.
Alright, so I asked her out and she said yeah. I mean, ain't no problems.
Exactly. So Liz, put that in your pipe and smoke it.
I'm actually gonna post this on YouTube. Ari, you're about to fuck me up, man. She's about to kick my ass and shit.
She ain't gonna do shit.
She's Puerto Rican. She gonna stab me.
You hear this pussy? You hear this pussy?
I ain't no
Him
fucking
right
pussy,
here.
yo.
Him, he's a pussy. Chris, him.
Your mama. Your mama.
My mom is a pussy. I'm sorry. No. My mom will fucking
Oh, I was
kill
looking at my
me.
glasses saying that.
Well, you wanna look at the camera's up there?
I know, but I wanted to look at my glasses,
No,
alright?
weirdo.
You know what? Suck a dick.
No, thank you, alligator.
Girl, a freak, girl.
First today, I am. Yes, I am. This is live at Central Chris.
It is not. I'm gonna fuck you up, yo. I swear to God. Where the fuck is my phone? You about to get me shot. What are you doing?
How am I gonna get you shot?
What are you doing? Yo, you look like you're trying to hump the fucking floor and shit. Damn, ho, stop humping shit.
I can't stop humping stuff.
She's like, oh my god.
Oh my god, guess what, people?
Oh my god, she actually
I have
said
a fuck buddy now. Like, he comes over every Friday and Saturday. Well, every Friday, I think he said. He said he's gonna come over every Friday. So that's gonna be fun while I'm on campus. Ain't that fucked up? Mad girls have been trying to get at him, and he's been on campus for how long?
I don't know, nigga ugly. I'm not
You
gonna
should
say
see how I
another
looked at you
nigga's
right now.
attractive, yo. I'm not gonna say another nigga's attractive. That's just gay, nigga.
Anyway, he's been on campus for like a couple of months now, or a
Oh my
year.
god, has he really?
I don't know how long he's been on campus, but I'm the only girl who has cracked that.
I didn't say that. I just said you're the only one I know of.
See, this is why I don't like him. This one right
She
here.
fucking loves
He
me.
irks my fucking life.
You irk my soul. Just make me want to stab people.
That's my job. Chris is being an asshole and he's playing a game while we're supposed to be recording.
I am still recording. I'm just
You're not even talking. You're supposed to be talking to the camera right now.
What am I talking to a camera for? That camera can't say shit back.
Yeah, but people are gonna be watching this because I'm gonna put this on Facebook too, and I'm gonna tag you in it.
I'll slap this shit off you. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Okay, people. Since nothing's happening, I just wanted to tell you about my day and about what I accomplished.
She had sex.
With one of the sexiest guys on campus.
This nigga ugly.
Fuck you.
You don't even live on campus.
And I was gonna say you're one of the sexiest guys on campus
Don't say
too.
that, 'cause that's
And that
just
line.
that's
So
just
you know
weird.
what? Bye. You can go somewhere. I'm outie, people.